In an unexpected turn of events, AstraZeneca has withdrawn its COVID-19 vaccine, Vaxzevria, from the global market. The reasons? A surplus of updated vaccines and a decline in demand. To understand how we've arrived at this point, we need to travel back in time. The pandemic hit us hard, and in response, AstraZeneca launched Vaxzevria, a beacon of hope in those dark times. It was widely administered, with 13 million doses given in Australia alone. However, the vaccine's journey wasn't without its bumps. It was linked to a rare side effect known as thrombosis with thrombocytopenia syndrome, or TSS. Out of the 13 million doses administered in Australia, 173 cases of TSS were reported. Australia, in response, recommended alternative vaccines for certain age groups to manage the AstraZeneca-related TSS cases. Despite these challenges, life expectancy increased during the pandemic in Australia, a testament to the country's robust healthcare system and its strategic handling of the crisis. Fast forward to today, with a surplus of updated vaccines and decreased demand for Vaxzevria, AstraZeneca made the decision to withdraw. They're not leaving the healthcare scene, though. They've shifted their focus to the development of respiratory syncytial virus vaccines and obesity drugs. As for COVID-19, the Department of Health now recommends 1 or 2 doses of a vaccine for most Australians, with booster doses for those at risk of severe illness. Now, to summarize the key points we've discussed, AstraZeneca has withdrawn its COVID-19 vaccine globally due to a surplus of updated vaccines and lower demand. The vaccine was linked to a rare side effect, TSS, which led Australia to recommend alternative vaccines for certain age groups. Despite the initial challenges, life expectancy in Australia increased during the pandemic. AstraZeneca is now focusing on other healthcare areas, while the Department of Health recommends 1 or 2 doses of a vaccine for most Australians, with booster doses for those at risk. With every end comes a new beginning. In the case of AstraZeneca, it's the start of a new chapter focusing on different areas of healthcare. And for us, it's another step forward in our battle against COVID-19, armed with more knowledge and better strategies.